This is your comprehensive dive into mindfulness, a technique recognized for its efficacy in stress management and the promotion of well-being. We'll demystify mindfulness, discussing its deep-seated origins from ancient times, its applications in the contemporary era, and implications on mental health. We will delve into the myriad benefits it offers, including, but not limited to, improved physical health, effective stress management, emotional resilience, and compassion. Additionally, we'll provide you with a range of strategies to seamlessly incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine, along with practical exercises and potential solutions to overcome any hurdles you may encounter on your journey. We are embarking on an exploratory journey, diving deeply into the understanding of what it truly signifies to be present. Our focus remains on being engaged in every single moment, thoroughly absorbed and connected with our environment. The process requires us to be aware, open, and receptive, free from any kind of impediment, judgment, or bias. We scrutinize the essence of being in the present, appreciating the beauty of the moment and understanding the power it beholds. Mindfulness is more than a journey. It's a discipline, an art that demands mastering. It necessitates the cultivation of a specific state of being, a unique quality of consciousness. We dig into the concept of mindfulness, tracing its roots and its practice. Elements of mindfulness, such as awareness, acceptance, non-judgment, and compassion, will be discussed. We will also delve into the advantages of practicing mindfulness, including stress reduction, enhanced emotional intelligence, and improved physical health. This expedition is an exploration geared towards self-growth, promoting inner peace, equilibrium, and harmony in our lives. Ever asked yourself how mindfulness can significantly lower your stress levels? It isn't just a baseless statement. A multitude of clinical studies back it up. Now, picture a scenario where everything is going wrong. What's your response? Many of us yield to anxiety and stress. However, mindfulness enables you to be present, conscious of your feelings and thoughts without judgment, allowing for more effective stress management. On top of that, mindfulness can boost our focus. In this era of digital diversions, it's tough to keep concentrated. Mindfulness aids you in staying cognizant of your thoughts, helping you focus on the current moment, thereby enhancing your concentration capabilities. An intriguing feature is mindfulness's ability to improve your emotional intelligence. It promotes emotional self-awareness, supporting us to comprehend and control our feelings better rather than being overwhelmed. But the benefits don't end there. It also fosters compassion within us. Mindfulness helps us understand and appreciate others' perspectives and emotions, making us more empathetic. But let's not forget, mindfulness also contributes to our physical health. The benefits are far-reaching and can truly transform our lives for the better. Start by devoting a few minutes each day to focus solely on your breathing. Seclude yourself in a quietly relaxing place where you can fully immerse in the experience. Close your eyes, relax your body, and center your mind. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, invigorating air. Feel the energy that flows into your body with each inhale. Then exhale slowly, releasing all the stresses and concerns of the day. At the same time, maintain a keen awareness of the unique sensation that accompanies each breath. This experience is personal, something that can be felt but not described. During this process, it's natural for your mind to wander, venturing into thoughts about past regrets or future worries. If you find this happening, don't panic or get frustrated. Instead, gently guide your focus back to your breathing. This discipline, simple on the surface but profound in its depth, can unlock extraordinary capacity within our spirit. It's a tool that can help us tap into our intrinsic qualities of wisdom, compassion, and strength. Each session of mindful breathing, even if it lasts only a few minutes, can cultivate a realm filled with peace, love, and understanding. It's a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, an exploration into the vast landscapes of our inner selves. It's an invitation to explore uncharted territories of our minds and embark on a conscious journey of inner peace and tranquility.